Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from AIESL, right? AI Engineering Service Limited. When you will go here, you can see advertisement and application format for the post of graduate engineer trainee support service here. When you will click here, you can see the detailed advertisement as it's starting. The online application form filling started from the 4th September and the last date will be 24th September. Let's check it out, the detailed advertisement. So first of all, I will tell you about AIESL is a fully owned subsidiary of AI Assets Holding Company Limited and is a public sector undertaking of Government of India, dear students. Okay, so they are going to recruit for the graduate engineer trainee support services. Okay, so AIESL invites application from Indian national fulfilling the requirement as on the 1st September to fill a post of the graduate engineer trainee and also to form a panel of future requirements on a fixed term employment basis for an initial period of 5 years. So this is not the permanent job, yeah, but this is a job which will be for the minimum 5 years. Okay, and further extension based on the company's requirement and subject to performance of the candidate. Okay, then let's talk about number of vacancies. So number of vacancies here, they mentioned the location wise number of vacancies mentioned in the Delhi 3, Mumbai 10, Kolkata 1, Hyderabad 2, Nagpur 4, Tiruvananthapuram 5, and total number of vacancies are 25 here. Okay, let's check it out. The eligibility criteria as on the 1st September. So qualification, candidate with BE BTech degree in aeronautical, mechanical, electrical, electronics, telecommunication, instrumentation, electronics and communication, industrial, production engineering or its equivalent form, a government recognized institute, university with a 60% and above, along with a valid GATE percentile of 85% and above, 80% and above for SC, ST, OBC may apply application in the prescribed format as attached. So they mentioned the application format also. Okay. On scrutiny of applications, management would decide the number of candidates to be called for the interview for filling up vacancies. So directly on the basis of your performance, not performance, on the basis of your GATE scorecard, okay, they will shortlist you and then they will call you for the personal interview. So look at here. So age limit is for the general EWS not about 28 year, OBC 31 and SC ST 33 year. When we are talking about emoluments, so here they mention 79 what is 59,000 to 79,000 per month over a period of 4 years depending upon the length of the service. And in the first year, graduate engineer trainee support service cadre will be paid stipend of rupees 40,000 during the first year of training. After the training, they will be graded as an assistant engineer and the pay scale means they will get 59,000 to 79,000 per month. Okay, service bond will be there for the 5 year period of contract is mentioned. How to apply? This is the process. You need to go to this one and just fill the form. Okay, you need to fill the form and you need to send the form up to the 24th September. The last date is 24th September. Now here education qualification, first year, second year, third year, fourth year or higher education with mark sheet for each you need to show here. Okay, so they mention what the things you need to show now, and you need to pay the DD for an amount of rupees 1500, rupees 1500 drawn in favor of AI Engineering Service Limited payable at the New Delhi. Okay, not applicable for the SC ST ex servicemen. Application fees is non-refundable. Application without the prescribed fee would not be considered and summarily rejected. Okay, so please check it out, the details also here how to apply. The selection procedure is mentioned here. Selection procedure involves personal interview of the candidates, okay, who primarily faces meets eligibility criteria and pre-employment medical examination. Shortlisted candidates will be inducted as per vacancies subject to found fit in the pre-employment medical exam also. General conditions are mentioned. You can check it out, the details also here. Okay, and I think after that they attach the form also, the which you need to fill and which you need to send. Okay, so please check it out, this details also. And as I already told you, the last date, they earlier also mentioned the last date is 24th September. I'm just showing you here the page for the last date. Last date I think here only. Okay, and what you need to do here, Okay, 24th September is your last date. Application for the how to apply, and you need to send. Last date of receipt of application is 17, means 5 o'clock. Arts on 24th September on the above address. Application received after the last date will not be entertained. So you need to send this. Okay, offline only. This is not the online application form. So you need to send this. Okay, guys. So please check it out for the more details. Check the official PDF, okay, on this official website which I show you here. Only this one. In this website you can see the details, aiesl.in career section you can see, and you can check it out the details. Stay connected to I Must Get Academy YouTube channel.